Good question. Pero may ano din talaga siya. Siyempre, tinitimpla din po namin for a general audience din, yung pagkagawa. So, yung pagka-mount namin ng eksena, it's something na mas malaking market yung makakanood po. Kahit yung mga older people na baka mag-cringe siya sobrang gore, and even the younger people na hindi makakita sa sobrang tempered naman po yun. And at the same time, it's based on Knight in Black story, which has a strong message at the end against against violence and abuse po.
So may
Abuse of power.
May redeeming factor.
Opo, meron po.
For the entire cast, kasi Hell University, no? Any hellish experience you had in your school life? Kung sino lang meron to share.
Okay, from your school life. Okay, so
University life.
University life. Okay, so since dito tayo kanina, let's start on the other end with Jemima. Any experience you can share?
In school life po?
Hellish experience.
Oh. Siguro, familiar itong term na to for students. This is considered Hell Week. So, sa university, may tinatawag din na, kung dito Hell University, sa school merong Hell Week. So, it's like a week full of like deadlines, assignments, ganun. So, I think for me, that's like the hellish moment in school, yeah.
Sa akin, wala po ako masyadong na-experience na hellish something sa school ko kasi na-enjoy ko lang po talaga yung school era ko.
I think this morning po, pretty hellish kasi I went from school, then straight here. But then, kaya naman po, so not that much.
Sa akin naman, nung nag-aaral pa ako, tanda ko na, nung nag-aaral pa ako, siguro hellish experience ko, pagsabayin yung work dito sa show business and yung school. Because sometimes, nagtitaping ako, nagre-review ako, and then exam ko na kinabukasan ng 7 a.m. And pack up ako ng mga 4 a.m. So, yun sa tingin ko. Thank you po.
For me po, siguro nung nagpakulay po ako ng hair for a role, tapos hindi po pwede yun sa school. So, I used to wear wigs not in school. Tapos nang makainit, ang kate-kate. Ayun po, yun po yung hellish experience.
Ako po, same answer with Samantha here. Yung pagsabay po ng work and school. Nothing hellish naman. Pero the closest thing is, ayun, pag may namimiss akong requirements or pag napapadalas yung pag-absent ko, yun, that's pretty bad. Pero yun naman.
Siguro for me, pinaka-hellish na ma-consider ko, nung time na pinagsabay ko yung work, school, and yung pag-varsity ko sa Davao ko. So I was juggling 3 things at the same time.
Ako po, yung hellish experience ko sa school, siguro yung attendance ko. Hindi po kasi ako masipag talagang pumasok dati, so yun na siguro po yung hellish experience ko, attendance ko po.
Sa akin naman po siguro nung bago pa lang ako sa Japan, na hindi ko sila lahat naiintindihan. Tapos sina-Japanese nila ako, pero ayun, hindi ko sila naiintindihan. Okay. Ganun lang.
Sa akin siguro yung pagturok ng needle, yung sisi ng needle. Kasi pagkaturok sa akin, sakit like, mas paghila, yun yung dugo. So parang feeling ko very relatable talaga sa helmet.
Sa akin na yun, same lang din with others. Pagsabayin yung work and school kasi sa school namin, uso sa amin yung groupings. So, most of the time may shooting ako and wala ako sa groupings. So, lugi ako sa peer evaluation.
Okay, great questions. Maraming salamat po, Miss Dolly.